Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is July the 27th and I'm using my PIP trigger trading system. Make sure you stay until the end of the video as I have a special offer that ends July the 31st. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer looking at all the different instruments and taking a look at my daily trade plan, and once I make a decision if I want to be buying or selling, at that point I manually put in this up arrow, and of course if I'm selling then it'll be a down arrow. Now we can take a look at the daily trade plan. Here is the daily trade plan running in real time, and all the trades that I've taken today were taken directly from the daily trade plan, either bearish trades or bullish trades, and some are preferred, which means more powerful or more likely to either go up or down. If you are trading without a daily trade plan, well, that's one of the main reasons why you are failing as a trader. My mentor told me many years ago, you must have some kind of a daily trade plan. Okay, now we can move on. Let's run a check on these trades. First one is the Dow Jones. Did qualify for a great way to trade, as I teach within the training videos. So let's drag and drop this up, see where it got in at. There's the buy arrow. I was a little bit late catching it, but I knew it was going to go up. And it can still hook around and keep going up and hit this ADR. But when I close it out, I close them all out almost to the second, 47 and 48 seconds. So before 9 o'clock, before the opening bell on futures, I closed out all my trades, and it's just a little bit after 9 this morning as I'm doing this video, and I'm done trading for the day. So on this Dow, pays $5 for each tick, took the money, divided by 5. Calculator says it should be 51. So I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out at this point. There it is right there, bang right on, 51 ticks. That paid out $255. Remember the PIP trigger system, which uses the Hull moving average. When it changes colors, you'll get an alert, either the trend is change up or down. And the other one here, buy alert, sell alert, that's part of the super signal indicator. I would not trade without it, as it really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. And also, if you love scalping, then you will love the super signal indicator. Has a very high success rate. And I know you get a lot of arrows, but if you just want to scalp, it will come with a very high success rate. If you're looking for 100, 200 pips or ticks, well, not every arrow is going to give you that, so you got to be more selective. The more pips and ticks you want, then you have to be more selective on which arrows you want to take. I teach all of these advanced trading tips within the package called How I Trade Live Advanced Trading Tips. I highly recommend you get that package. Moving right along, S&P 500. This one pays the same, $5 for each tick. And of course, did qualify for a great way to trade. When I took the trade, could have taken it here or here, but when I took the trade, I knew I was going to get something. And used a calculator, and the calculator says it should be 57. There it is right there, 57 ticks, and that paid out $287. Moving on to the next trade, crude oil. This one pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, this should be 34. So let's drag and drop this up. Now when I got in the trade, did qualify for a great way to trade. There's the 2 buy signals, white arrow from the daily trade plan. So let's see, this should be 34. There it is right there, 34 ticks, and that paid out $340. Moving right along to the next trade, the pound dollar. This is another one that pays $10 for each PIP because the USD is on the right hand side. Looking at the money, this should be 46. So let's drag and drop this up. By the way, the 2 pound pairs are the only ones that I sold. All the rest I bought. If I was staying in the trade, I would be up right now a lot more. But like I said, my goal every day I trade is only 200 pips and ticks. And today, well, this is going to be a lot more than 400 or even 500. So on this pound dollar, should be 46. So let's go and see, 46. If I was in the trade right now, I'd be up about 80. There's the 46 pips, and that paid out $460. Moving right along to the next trade, the pound CAD. This one pays under $10 for each pip. But, and I don't know exactly, could be 8 point something dollars if you're doing one standard lot. Let's see now on this pound CAD. Let's see where I got in at. I knew it was going to go down. There was a sell signal here and here. I got in right on the trigger, the setup candle. This is your setup candle. And I know automatically that the next candle will produce the arrow. So here we go. Got in at this cursor. And I closed it out being happy. Looks like with about 87 pips. And those 87 pips paid out $668. Moving right along to the next trade, Russell. Russell pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, this should be 102. So let's drag this up and see where I got in at. There's the arrow. Wasn't too long after. I pulled the trigger and the hull was giving me an alert to buy. Everything was perfect down at the bottom. So like I said, it should be showing 102. There it is. It's 102 ticks, and that produce $1,020. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the DAX 30. This one pays $3.75 for each tick. I dropped it down to the 5 minutes to get more accurate reading. I took the money and divided it by 375. That's 3.75. The calculator says should be 365 ticks. So let's see. From there to there should be 365. And there's my 2 buy signals right there. It's a no-brainer. Easy decision to make. So from there to there, as I said, should be 365. And it doesn't look like I'm going to get it accurate on this reading. If I dropped it down to the 1 minute, I'll probably get it, but I'm not going to go through all that trouble. Calculator says it's 365, and all of those ticks paid out $1,368. So, another great day of trading using my PIP trigger. So like I said, another great day of trading using my PIP trigger, and I knew it was going to be over 400 or 500, mainly because of this DAX 30. And looks like today same as yesterday, both 2 days in a row, I got over 700 pips and ticks. Again, mainly because I've been trading the DAX 30. Today's grand total was 742 pips and ticks, and that ended up paying out $4,399. So your system's not producing like my pip trigger. Well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan, which I highly recommend. So if you have any questions, you want to buy, it's quite simple. All you got to do is get in contact with me. All my contact and a lot more information is right below this video. So let's say that this is the video. All you got to do is look right below the video. Right here you'll see this button that says show more. All you got to do is click on it. Opens up another window, and as you scroll down, you'll notice that I made a nice easy connection for Skype for you. All you got to do is click on this link. Even if you think you don't have Skype, well, if you have a computer, tablet, or even a cell phone, well, if everything is connected to Microsoft, well, guess what? You click on this link, we have a connection, and at that point we can talk live and I can answer your questions. Now there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, a lot of education, and of course you need a daily trade plan. So, and of course if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. As you scroll down, you'll see that there's 4 different packages here. Keep in mind I do charge, my regular price is $250 for each package. Now we get to the point where I'm offering a special offer that ends July 31st. You can buy both the PIP trigger and the Easy Trader with the super signal indicator. These 2 packages you can buy for $300. Now that is a 40% discount. So, been sitting on the fence, now's the time to buy because this offer ends July 31st. Which means when you buy the PIP trigger, you'll automatically have the super signal indicator. Both package 1 and 2, that's where the bulk of the training videos are. 22 in here, and in the How We Trade Live, there's 20 videos running about 30 minutes long each approximately. I show a lot of advanced trading tips in this package. And of course, number 3 is the Daily Trade Plan EA. If you continue to scroll down, you'll see each package and all the different things that I teach. The more ways you learn how to trade, the better you will become as a trader, and you'll be making hundreds of pips eventually, like I am doing. But remember the 4 things you need. If you don't do those 4 things, well, you're not going to make it. I don't care what system it is, every system in the world, if you don't follow those 4 things that you need, all systems in the world, you're still going to fail. Here's all the different things I teach within the How I Trade Live. And the Daily Trade Plan for training videos and the Easy Trader for training videos. So if you're interested or have any questions, you want to buy, whatever, you can easily pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. Or you can send me an email. Here's my email address. I live in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. Here's another link to my Skype connection. Wanted to make a note or to inform you that once you buy it, you have it, you own it. There's no way I can take it back. And for that particular reason, please note that there are no refunds. So, just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.